Agus tá Ronan Maher Takach and Lartling. Ronan, congratulations. 4 in a row, it's a fair achievement. Even for all the county titles that Thurles have won, I'm sure this one is as special as the rest.
It is, yeah, we've been looking forward to it for the last week, 2 weeks. Boris are a great side, had a great year, and you can be sure they'll be back again, but definitely this one is sweet now, and listen, we'll stay going, and I think it's time we kind of drove on further in the championship.
Yeah, this I think possibly a 36th title, but only one Munster to show for it. And you were part of the team that went down to Ballyea last year, had that game won, went away disappointed ultimately. So a point to prove maybe in Munster now.
Yeah, definitely, I suppose. But it's hard enough coming out of your own championship. Tip is very tough, and I suppose they're not easy won, and that shows on the field. And I suppose last year we went down to Ballyea and they bet us, and they were a great side and they went on to the final. But the hunger's there amongst the group, and I think that shows over the last 4 or 5 years.
You were never short of good scorers, and we saw it again today, but what really impressed us on the sideline was the work ethic of the Thurles team. That seems to be a bit different this year. Yeah,
we worked really hard, I suppose when we work all over the field, the hurling looks after itself. But listen, we've a hungry bunch of lads here, and all we want to do is stay winning, and thankfully we came out on the right side today.
I think this was your 9th game in this year's championship. The second half was pretty much nailed on, wasn't it? It's hard to pick holes. I'm sure you'd be looking at stuff and saying we need to get this right, but was the second half the best you've played in this year's championship, do you think?
And I suppose you could say there towards the end it opened up a small bit, and it suited a few of the lads coming in. The forwards were on form there today, and a few younger lads like Conor Staken come into the team today, and I think he was great throughout. And it's stuff like that drives us on the club and every night in the training field. So we're delighted to come out on top, like I said, and I don't know, was it our best performance, but it was up there with one of them, and we're happy to come out over today.
If you are going to win Munster this year, you'll have to do it the hard way. You have to go into the quarter-final in a fortnight's time against the Waterford champions, who we don't know yet who you're going to be playing. But what changes now? How do you take what you've managed to do so comprehensively in Tipperary and now transfer that into winning Munster?
It's a good question, yeah, but listen, we'll celebrate tonight first, and we'll get back to the field shoes tonight maybe, and we've a bit of a break now till the Waterford championships come through, but we'll settle ourselves back down fairly quick. We're an honest bunch, and please God, we'll be 100% come 3 weeks' time for the Waterford champions.
All right, well done. All right, fair play. So Ronan Maher